Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student, where the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your students' progress. We also cover syllabus as per as your school examination schedule, and also we handle custom requirements. Our key features is we provide you with monthly progress report cards. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and all these practice tests are subjective as well as objective in nature. Also, all the students can take Swiflearn academic test series, a scholarship exam where students can win scholarships up till 1 lakh rupees. So yes, good morning everyone, and all the students who are new, you can book a free trial class. Okay, क्या करना है? www.swiflearn.com में जाना है. Click on book a free trial class. Choose your standard and choose a subject you would like to take a free trial class. Maybe maths, maybe science, maybe English, maybe Vedic maths. And yes, we will arrange a free trial class for you. Yes, also students, those who are new, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. So Avani, good morning, and others also, good morning. So yes, it's a wonderful day today, and today I am Shashank sir, and I'll be teaching you the second part of the topic angles. So far we have studied different types of angles, 6 different types of angles: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, okay, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. So we have studied so many things, right? So yes, today what are we going to learn, Avani? Today we are going to learn complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, linear pair, and vertically opposite angles. सर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मैंने सुना है सर, लोग मेरे तारीफ करते हैं, दे गिव मी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स. सर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री जब हम होटल में जाते हैं बहुत सारा बिल कर देते हैं तो एट द एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री डेजर्ट देते हैं. Okay, that's a different thing. So what is a complementary angle, supplementary angle, all these things? Okay, we will study today. So Ansh, good morning. It's good to have you back, and you are today here with your own channel. Okay, so yes, okay, so we will exactly start at 11 every day. We start. So I teach from Mondays to Thursdays. So yes, good morning सब लोगों को. Yes, let us start our today's topic. So Ansh, do you remember what we learned in the last class? We learned different types of angles. Okay, so now let's move to the new topic, complementary and supplementary angles. Okay, so the sum of measure of two angles is 90. That is said to be complementary angles. Good morning. Yes. So two angles, if you add them, the total should be 90. These two angles are complementary angles. They complement each other. For example, 30 and 60 are complementary angles. Okay. Can you give me more examples? Like 89 and 1 degree. These are also complementary angles. 10 and 80 are complementary angles. Okay, bhar do chat. Okay, please don't spam the chats. And yes, give me some example of complementary angles. Two angles, when you add them, you should get 90 degree. Okay, Madhu said, sir, 45 and 45. Madhu, yes, you are right. Is it your real name? Otherwise, please comment your real name. So, Ishani, can you give me examples of complementary angles? Any two angles, when you add, you should get 90 degrees. Zoya, Ishani, Ansh, Avani, yes, 85 and 5. Yes, 85 and 5. Okay, so yes, these are complementary angles. Okay, Harsh, good morning. So let's discuss these things. Which of the two following can perform complementary angles? Yes, Aryan, good morning. Like two acute angles, adding two acute angles, do we get 90? Yes, we get 90 degrees by adding two acute angles. Two obtuse angles. Array, obtuse angles means greater than 90 degree. Okay, so least obtuse angle is 91 plus 91. Okay, so it is greater than 90. We can't. And two right angles, 90 plus 90, 180. We won't get 90. So only complementary angles can be found by using acute angles. Two acute angles. समझ गए everyone? Yes. So let's move on to the next topic, supplementary angles. हाँ एग्जाम में I don't know about the small kids, but the students from 7th 8th 9th 10th जब एग्जाम लिखते हैं हाँ, सो सर सप्लीमेंट चाहिए और आंसर लिखना है, सर सप्लीमेंट चाहिए, बाजू बैठे वाले को टेंशन हो जाता है, अरे ये क्या कितना क्या लिख रहा है भाई, हाँ कल का भी पेपर आज ही सॉल्व कर रहा है क्या, सर मुझे भी चाहिए सप्लीमेंट, वंश हर्ष ने लिया है सप्लीमेंट, मुझे भी चाहिए, मैं भी कुछ भी लिखूंगी. ओके, सो यस, सो दोस वेर बैक और स्कूल डेज. Now, yes, what are supplementary angles? Coming back to supplementary angles. Two angles, if you add them, you should get 180. That's all. The sum of measure of two angles is 180. Those two angles are called as supplementary angles. For example, 90 plus 90. Yes, those are supplementary angles. Okay. So 179 and 1 degree, those are supplementary angles. Okay, so 50 plus 130, these are supplementary angles. Two angles, when you add them, you should get supplementary angles. So chalo guys, देखो यहाँ पे I'll show you some software. Okay, this is not a software, like yeah, it is something made. Okay, so it will show you what are supplementary angles and how it will work. Okay, yes. So see here, these are supplementary angles. Two angles when added, you get 180 degrees. Now, if you change the angle, see I've made 90 and 90. So those are supplementary angles. So yes, Aryan, even I had this doubt like 180 or 0. Like can they be supplementary angles? Yes, any two angles when you add them. So those are supplementary angles. Yes. So yes. So see these two angles are here. Now see here I am changing them. So मैंने जीरो कर दिया. आर्यन देखो तुम्हारा डाउट यहाँ पे सॉल्व हो गया. One is 180 degrees, one is 0 degrees. Are they supplementary angle? Yes, they are. Have I cleared your doubt, Aryan? Yes. So even 180 and 0 are supplementary angles. 90 and 90, these are also supplementary angles. Yes. So yes. Chalo. Moving on to the lesson plan. Yes. Which of the following can form supplementary angles? Two acute angles. Acute angle का maximum measure कितना है? Acute angle का maximum measure है 89 degrees. So 89 plus 89, it is not. Okay. So what is the meaning of supplementary angle? Pushkar is asking. Pushkar रुको, तुमको मैं समझा दूंगा. What are supplementary angles? Just give me a minute. I've explained it, but I will explain again, Pushkar. Okay. So Pushkar, now you take any two angles, you add them, you should get 180 degrees. Okay. For example, अरे मुझे straight line लेना पड़ेगा. Yes. For example, Pushkar, let this be say 60 degrees. How much is this? 60 degrees. Now, two angles are said to be supplementary angle if they add up to 180 degrees. ये 60 है. What should I add to 60 so that I'll get 180? I need to add 120, right? So, if the angle is 120 degrees, okay, so 60 and 120 are said to be supplementary angles. Okay, in general, two angles, say X and Y, to add them, you should get 180 degrees. These are called as supplementary angles. So understood, Pushkar? Yes. Okay. So I have not been reading your comments. थोड़ा एक time करके I will. Two obtuse angles and two right angles. Okay, okay. Madhu, two obtuse angles will not form a supplementary angle. Okay. So हाँ देखो आर्यन ने already बोल दिया है. Yes. So which of the following can form supplementary angles? Two acute angles? Not possible. Two obtuse angles? Not possible. Two right angles? Definitely possible. Okay. So one obtuse angle, one acute angle. Yes, answer this. One obtuse angle and one acute angle. Can we form a supplementary angle? And I'm waiting for Aryan and others to answer. One acute angle and one obtuse angle. Yes, not always. Not always. Not always. Okay. Yes, not always is the word. Sir, कैसे sir? देखो यहाँ पे मैंने एक 10 डिग्रीज का एंगल लिया है और मैंने एक 110 डिग्रीज का एंगल लिया है. This is acute, this is obtuse. Add them. How much you got? 120. So not always any obtuse angle and any acute angle will form supplementary angles. Okay. So to form supplementary angles, when added, you should get 180 degrees or a straight angle. Then only will form a supplementary angle. Very good, Aryan. It was a trick question. You have answered it right. And also, Madhu has answered it right. Yes. What about others? Ishani, Piyu, are you there, guys? Like, I don't know, like, I haven't heard from you few minutes. So, yes. So, they have solved this by their method. Let me solve by my own method, the easiest method. ओके शशांक सर का स्पेशलिटी यही है. ओके जो भी प्रॉब्लम है इजीली सॉल्व करते हैं इजी मेथड से. इफ टू एंगल्स आर सप्लीमेंट्री, ओके दोनों एंगल सप्लीमेंट्री है बोल दिए हैं मींस दे एड अप टू 180 डिग्रीज and one of the angle is 64 degree and one of the angle is 64 degree more than the other angle. 64 degree ज्यादा है. More means what? More means plus. Find the two angles. Let the angles be x. Let the smaller angle be x. The larger angle is 64 degree more, right? So it is x plus 64. एक angle x है दूसरा 64 more है x से. So adding them will get 180 degrees. Now add them. 2x plus 64 is 180 degrees. प्लस 64 यहां पे ले लो ट्रांसपोज करो यू गेट माइनस 64. 2x is 180 minus 64. Okay, you guys can do it in the normal method. Shashank sir is a specialist in Vedic maths. I'll use Vedic maths. I don't know whether Aryan you have learned this method. 0 minus 4 is negative 4 and this is 2, this is 1, so this is equal to 116 and 116. So 2x is 116. X is 116 by 2, which is 58 degree. The smaller angle is 58 degree. Find the two angles bole hai. The other is x plus 64. So yes, so x plus 64 is the another angle. 58 plus 64. 11 and 12, which is 122 degrees. Hence the two angles are 58 and 112. They've also solved by the same approach. थोड़ा घुमा के solve किए हैं. So this also is the right method to do. Yes. So see here we got 112 and 58. So bigger angle is 112, smaller angle is this. Okay. So पुष्कर क्या बोल रहा है? I knew sir, I am IMO all India rank 2. Very good to have you here, पुष्कर. चलो तो पुष्कर को आगे जाके चैलेंजिंग क्वेश्चन देता हूँ. Yes. So some students sir one angle 64 ले लेते हैं. It is 64 more, not 64. Okay, so they end up in solving wrong problems. So let's not do like this. So let's solve this. which angle is equal to its supplementary angle? Okay, which angle is equal to its supplementary angle? Yes, so 90 is equal to its supplementary angle. Now देखो यहाँ पे, let us discuss question 1 in detail. Okay, I know it may be confusion for you in the beginning, so I'm going to give a random angle 50, which is the supplementary angle to 50. इसका मतलब है 50 को क्या ऐड करना चाहिए, so that we will get 180. क्या ऐड करना चाहिए, क्या ऐड करना चाहिए? So we need to add 130 degrees. So 130 degrees is complement to 50 degrees, right? 100 को complement supplement क्या है? Supplement to 100 degree is 80 degrees. Now क्या किए है, क्या पूछे है, देखो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पे, which angle is equal to its supplementary? Okay, so how to solve this? We all know 90 plus 90 is 180. 90 का 90 ही है. How to solve this? Which angle is equal to supplementary angle? Okay, so x, let x be the angle, and what should you add such that it will become 180 degrees? Okay, so x, so this is 180 minus x, you will also get this. Okay, to how to solve this? Okay, I'll figure it out. So in the meantime, okay, so this and this when added you should get 180, and this should be equal. ये दोनों equal है तो x ही होगा. which angles are equal? equal बोले तो if I take this as x, this also x. हो गया, solve हो गया. x plus x is 2x, 2x is 180, x is equal to 90 degree. ओके, तो ऐसे सॉल्व करते हैं इसको. यस, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, ईशानी इज बैक. चलो, let the challenge begin between Pushkar, Aryan, Ishani and others. If you're seeing, solve the second one. If an angle is greater than 90 degree, then its supplementary angle will always be greater than 90, less than 90, equal to 90. What is the answer? So Madhu has answered this. Very good, Madhu, and you have answered it right, followed by Pushkar. So always for an obtuse angle, acute angle will be the supplementary angle less than 90. Okay, okay, Aryan ने बोला है already solved. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. So Avani is there. So if the two complementary angles are in the ratio of 5/4, find the measure of both angles. Okay, try to do this. अगर आता है तो करो, नहीं आता है तो यहाँ पे देखो guys, not a problem. So two angles are in the ratio of 5/4. Okay, so let the two angles be 5x. Ratio है तो 5x और 4x ले सकते हैं. So 5x plus 4x, okay, are complementary. Complementary is 90 degree, supplementary is 80 degree. Complementary है ये. Okay, ये mistake कर दिया तुम लोगों ने. So 9x is equal to 90, x is equal to 10 degrees. Now the two angles, let the two angles be 5x and 4x बोला था ना. So 5 into 10 is 50, 4 into 10 is 40. So the two angles are 50 and 40. Let me see who has solved this right. Okay, सारे लोगों ने गलत किए हैं अब तक. करेक्ट करो भाई, करेक्ट करो. These are the right answers. Complementary two angles, when you add you should get 90. देखो guys, two angles when you add you get 90. This is complementary. Two angles when you add you get 180. This is supplementary. Okay, yes. So the very next thing, so those who are in 7th standard or lower grades, okay, learn this wisely. So this you will be using in all the upcoming standards. Aryan ko पूछो, Aryan already knows this. Okay, so अच्छा, मैंने बोलते वक्त supplementary बोला पर वहां पे complementary था. Sorry. Yes. So let us learn adjacent angles. एडजेसेंट का मतलब क्या है? एडजेसेंट का मतलब बाजू बाजू। योर नेबर्स आर एडजेसेंट टू योर हाउस, योर फ्लैटमेट्स आर एडजेसेंट टू योर हाउस। ओके, तुम्हारा रोल नंबर 27 है, रोल नंबर 26 वाला बंदा, रोल नंबर 28 वाला बंदा, ही इज एडजेसेंट टू यू। Okay, so angles which share, like, now what is the meaning of adjacent in context with angles? In context with angles, adjacent angles, the angles which share a common vertex, are known as adjacent angles. समझिए, see angle LMO, which is angle 1, and angle OMN, which is angle 2, they have a common vertex, है ना, join हो गए है ना, so these are adjacent angles. Now let me draw a diagram and ask, okay, many rays and one angles. Yes, देखो अभी क्या बोल रहा है, many rays and one angles. Okay, देखो यहाँ पे, good thing you asked. Okay, see, I will draw many rays and one common vertex. Okay, now what are adjacent angles? We can't see, the definitions is like this. We can't say two or more angles. Adjacent angles is related to only two. Now see, one, this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3. Okay, so what are adjacent angles? So let me improvise the definition which is given here. So two angles are said to be adjacent angles if they have a common vertex, and also a common normal. ये भी सेम होना चाहिए. Now angle 1 and angle 3, are they adjacent angles? Angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 1 and angle 3, yes, they are having a common vertex, but they are not having a common normal. So these are not adjacent angles. Is angle 1 and 2 adjacent angles? Yes, angle 1 and 2 are adjacent angles. Are angle 2 and 3 adjacent angles? Yes, they have a common vertex and a common normal. So these are adjacent angles. I hope I have given you the clear picture. Okay, हाँ यहाँ पे दिया है ना, common vertex and side are called adjacent angles. Okay, so Pushkar, I hope your doubt is clear. You said many rays and one vertex. हाँ, टू सबसे दोस्ती करता है वो, आर्यन इज टेलिंग टू सबसे दोस्ती करता है सर. यस, so it is a very diplomatic person, huh? It doesn't has any enemies. सबके साथ friend है. Yes, okay. So understood the meaning, correct meaning of adjacent angle. It should have a common vertex as well as common side. Okay. Yes. Identify the adjacent angles in the given figure. Yes. Angle AOP and angle POD. Angle AOP, this angle, and angle POD, and this angle. Yes, bhai, they are having common vertex and same side. So these are adjacent angles. Tick mark कर दिया. Okay. Color change. Angle AOB. AOB. This angle, the green one. And angle COD. COD का मतलब क्या है? Cash on delivery. Okay, now they are having a common vertex, but are they having a common side? No, so this is not an adjacent angle. Okay, anyone's favorite pink? Any ladies pink? Angle AOP with angle AOC. AOC. Okay, ये बड़ा एंगल AOC. हाँ ले सकते हैं, बड़ा एंगल भी ले सकते हैं. क्या हुआ? यस, कॉमन वर्टेक्स O एंड कॉमन साइड OA. तो ये है. एंड द लास्ट वन, एंगल BOC. BOC, दिस एंगल. एंड एंगल POD. POD, नो, दिस इज. हाँ, ईशानी स्टेलिंग नहीं सर, पिंक पिंक हमको अच्छा नहीं लगता, हम औरों की तरह नहीं है, हमको ब्लैक अच्छा लगता है. यस, ओके. Yes, guys. So I hope I have made clear all the concepts related to adjacent angle. Now, linear pair. Adjacent angles which are supplementary forms a linear pair. Okay. So, हाँ, ओके ओके ओके, हाँ, आर्यन बोल रहा है पीओडी का मतलब पे ऑन डिलीवरी, सीओडी इज कैश ऑन डिलीवरी. यस. Okay, okay, okay. Now, what are linear pairs? Two adjacent angles are said to form linear pair when they add up to form 180 degrees. Adjacent angles which are supplementary form linear pairs. Two adjacent angles, when added, you get supplementary angles. So those are known as linear pair. Yes, now see this angle COB and angle BOA. Are they adjacent? Yes, they have a common vertex O and common side OB. They are linear pair. Now, are they adding to 180 degrees? Yes. ठीक है. Yes, Amani. Bye bye. See you tomorrow on at 11 a.m. Okay, I always take class at 11 a.m. So if you are free at that time, you will always attend my live classes. Or if you are not free at that time, so this class will be recorded and saved. You can see it afterwards. Yes. So these are linear pairs. Now let us solve this two problem. Let us solve this problem. Solve karo bhai. If angle AOB and BOC in the given figure form linear pair, acha, adding these two you will get 180 degrees. If the difference between these angles is 70 degrees, then find the measure of these two angles. Okay, so if the difference between this angle is 70, by seeing the figure, which angle is obtuse angle? AOB is obtuse angle. Obviously, ये बड़ा है. So this is the big angle. This is small angle. Okay, so difference between this angles is 70. Okay, so let angle AOB be X. Okay, so this is X, and what about this? This is X minus 70. X minus 70. Add the two angles. What you get? They have given, they form a linear pair. Linear pair means this is equal to 180 degrees. Solve this equation, linear equation in one variable है. Solve this. 2x minus 70 है, यहाँ पे गया तो plus 70 हो जाएगा. So 180 plus 70, how much is that? 250. 2x is 250 and x is 250 by 2, which is 125 degrees. So the bada angle, the obtuse angle, the angle AOB is 125 degrees and the other is 125 minus 70. Okay, how much is that? It is 55. 120 minus 70 is 55. So this is how we saw it. Good morning, Gurvinder Singh, good morning. So Manjula, see here, you got something else. These are the right answers. This is the way to do it. I think you have made some mistake, some calculation mistake. This is the right way to do it. Ishani, are you there? Like I didn't get an answer from you. Jaldi jaldi karna hai. Yes. Gurvinder, good morning. Is your name Gurvinder? Dekho. This is how we solve. And we got the right answer. Next. मेरा फेवरेट एंगल है वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. अपोजिट तो पता है, तुम्हारे घर के अपोजिट कौन है? ओके, सो अपोजिट मतलब एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट. व्हाट इज अपोजिट टू योर स्कूल? सर आइसक्रीम की दुकान है. सो यू आर गेटिंग. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अपोजिट? एग्जैक्टली एट द फ्रंट. अपोजिट, इफ यू स्टैंड अपोजिट टू द मिरर, मतलब एकदम सामने, so that is opposite. Now vertically opposite angles. Okay, so see here, what are vertically opposite angles? The opposite angles are formed by intersection of two lines are called vertically opposite angles. In the given figure, angle 1, this angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles, and angle 2 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angles. इसमें adjacent angles कौन से हैं? Angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. Angle 1 and 4 are adjacent angles. Adjacent means baju baju. Opposite means opposite. 1 is opposite to 3. This is vertically opposite angles. Yes, vertically opposite angles. Okay, so in vertically opposite angles, the angle 1 is will be equal to angle 3. Now see, if angle 1 is 50 degrees, even angle 3 will be 50 degrees. Okay, if angle 2 is 130 degrees, even angle 4 will be 130 degrees. समझे? So these are the properties of vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Yes. Okay. चलो. Proof of vertically opposite angles are equal. देखो भाई proof कैसे है? Okay. Now see here. Let me explain you in the easiest method possible. So ये off कर देते हैं. It is disturbing us too much. Now देखो guys. Simple. I'm drawing a line. How much angle does a straight line make? We all know a straight line will make 180 degrees. Okay, so straight angle बोलते हैं, which is equal to 180 degrees. Now this angle, even this line will make 180 degrees. Now let us name this angle 1, 2, 3 and 4. वर्टेक्स को O बोल देते हैं, इसको A, B, C, D. Now we know that DB is a straight line. It is making 180 degree angle. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Right? Similarly, even AC, air conditioning, AC is also a straight line. It is also making 180 degrees. So angle 3 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Now Jasmine Kaur, good morning. Good morning. I hope so. You are from Punjab. So yes. So see here, this angle 2 and angle 2 are same. 180 is same. What does this imply? See, since these are equal to 180 degrees, can I equate equation 1 and equation 2? Yes, of course. So Chetan, good morning, good morning. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 2. angle 2 सेम है, तो मैं उसको कैंसिल कर देता हूं. What does this imply? Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles, so they are equal. Similarly, you can use the same thing, same strategy, and say angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Okay? So yes, this is the easy way to do it. You can have many ways also. Identify the vertically opposite angle. Okay, so vertically opposite angles are made with two lines. See, AD is a line and CP is a line. So angle 4, angle 2 are vertically opposite angles. Angle 3 and angle 1 plus 5 together. 1 plus 5 together and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles. But is angle 5 vertically opposite to angle 3? No, they are not, because vertically opposite angles should be made from two lines. Okay, so these are opposite angles which we have found out, and find the linear pairs. Two angles, not three angles, two angles, when you add you should get 180 degrees. So 2 and 3 you form a linear pair. 3 and 4, you form a linear pair. Yes. So these are vertically opposite angles and a linear pairs. Okay, guys. So I hope you have understood this all. So next thing is angle bisector. Okay, a ray that divides an angle into two equal parts is called as angle bisector. A ray which divides an angle into equal angles or equal parts are called as bisector. Dekho, OAB is an angle which is equal to 60 degrees. Now OC is a ray, it is dividing BOA in two equal parts, 30 and 30. So AOC and COB are equal to 30 degrees. So this OC is called as angle bisector. Sanjay, what is angle bisector? Okay, this pointer is troubling me a lot. Mouse is too smooth. Yes. So properties. What are the properties of angle bisector? If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees, the outer arm of the angles are on the same line. Okay, so kya hai? If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees, the outer arm of the angles are on the same line. What they say is two adjacent angles, if they are 180, the outer angles are on the same line. देखो ये same line है. Okay, so this is a property. Now see here with an illustration. Let this be two adjacent angles. The sum is 180 degree. Angle OAB is 60, BOAC is 20. You add them, you get 180. So OA and CA are in a straight line. This is a property. Sum of two adjacent angles is 180. They are on the same line. If a ray meets a straight line with its endpoint on the line, then sum of magnitudes of adjacent angles formed is 180 degrees. Okay, so on a straight line अगर हम ray बनाते हैं तो दोनों angles they will add up to 180 degrees is what they have said. And the sum of all the angles at a point of a straight line lie on one side of the straight line is 180 degrees. एक straight line है, तुमको जितना चाहिए उतना rays बना लो. Adding all the angles you will get equal to 180 degrees. These are few properties. Sum of measure of all angles at a point is 360 और complete angle. एक point से जितना चाहिए उतना ray बना दो. You add all the angles, they will add up to 360 degrees. Check whether these are adjacent angles or not. Okay, so they have marked. So what is the answer for the first one, guys? Comment in the chat. Comment in the chat. We have not talked. It's been 5-10 minutes. So the first one, are they adjacent angles? Yes, are they adjacent angles? So angle TQS and angle RQP. Okay, the first one, they are having a common vertex Q, but they are not having a common side. So the first one is they are not adjacent angles. What about the second one, guys? Second one. Yes, Aryan, I got you. So the second one, yes, they are adjacent angles. It is having a common vertex O and the common side ON. So these are adjacent angles. One of the angle of the linear pair is 72. Find the other angle. Find the other angle. Aryan versus Manjula versus anyone else who is there seeing the stream. Solve this, guys. One of the linear pair. Linear pair means what? Linear pair. Okay, one of the angle is 72 degrees. The other angle is question mark. So that is 180 minus 72. 8 bar 1 1, which is 102. The other angle is 10. Okay, sorry, this is 2 bar. Sorry, 108 is the right answer. Manjula, you have answered it right. So the other pair is 108. The sum of two adjacent angles is 110. Two angles, you add them. Okay, sorry, sum of two adjacent angle is 110. One of them is 40 less than the other. Find the angles. Okay, so देखो यहाँ पे, have you seen the question? I am going to cover this because I need some space to solve. The sum of two adjacent angles is 110. 90 से थोड़ा ज्यादा है. ठीक है भाई. Okay. If one of them is 40 less than the other, let the larger angle be x. The smaller angle is x minus 40. 40 less है ना? So x minus 40 and they add up to 110. 2x minus 40 is 110. 2x is equal to 110 plus 40, which is 150. 2x is 150. X is equal to 150 by 2. How much is that? X is equal to 120. Sorry, 150 का हाफ है 75. एक 75 है, दूसरा 40 लेस है. So other angle is 75 minus 40, which is 35. Which is 35. Yes. Add them, you get 110. These are the answers. Right, guys? Okay. So yes, let me see. Okay. So let us solve this few more problems and we will stop the class. So find the value of x from the given figure below. So add all the angles. This is a linear pair. Add all the angles. You get 180. So see here. X plus 10 plus 3x plus x plus 40 is equal to 180. Add all the x terms. X plus 3x plus x. 5x, add the constant terms, we get 50 is equal to 180. So 5x is equal to 180 minus 50. How much is that? That is equal to 130. Right? Am I right? Yes, 5x is 130. So x is equal to 130 by 5. X is equal to 5 2s are 10, 5 6 are 30. So 26 is the answer. Is this the answer required? No. This is only the value of x. What have they asked? What have they asked in the question? Find the value of x. Okay. Find the value of x from the given figure below बोल दिए बस. So हमने x का value निकाल लिया है. If they ask you to find the values of the angles, using the value of x, find the values of the angles. So x plus 10 is 36. 26 times 3, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 6 3s are 18, 78, x plus 40, 66. This would be the angles if they would have been asked. Yes, Akshita, good morning. Yes, last question for today. An angle is 30 less than 2 times its supplement. Find the smaller angle. So these two angles are supplementary angles, which is 180 degrees. An angle is 30 less. Okay, 30 less means minus 30. 30 less than 2 times its supplement angle. Okay, find the smaller angle. Find the smaller angle. So this value we need to find. Okay. Let x be the supplement of the angle required. So this is x. Okay. So an angle is 30 less than 2 times its supplement angle. So this is x. So this is 2x minus 30. Add them, you get 180 degrees. So x plus 2x minus 30. 3x is equal to minus 30 यहाँ पे लेके जाऊंगा 18, 3 7 जा 210 and x is 210 by 3, that is 3 7s are 21, 60 degree. So the larger angle is 70. अरे larger angle is 70 ऐसे कैसे आया? Okay. So the smaller angle is 70 and the larger angle is 180 minus 70, which is 110. So these are the two angles and the smallest angle is this much. Okay. So that's all for today, guys. What did we learn? We learned what are complementary angles. Two angles, when you add them, you should get 90 degrees. Two angles, when you add them, you get 180 degrees. Those are supplementary angles. Adjacent angles, two angles which have a common vertex and a common side. Linear pair, two adjacent angles, when they add up to 180 degrees, they are called linear pair. And vertically opposite angles, the angle formed by intersecting of two lines which are opposite to each other are known as vertically opposite angles. So that's all, guys, for today. And yes, students, those who are new, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. So yes, please solve this. Ishani is telling, sir, ये वाला board mask का problem solve करो. ठीक है, मैं solve करूंगा, Ishani. Yes, let's solve this. So others, can you solve the problem which one of the student has given in the chat? 29 plus. Ishani, what is this? I am not getting 2 underscore 24 underscore 2. I am not getting this. Is it minus? Please rephrase your question again and check whether I have written it right. Yes. Ishani, I am not understanding what is this. Is it minus? So that is minus. Okay. Chalo. This is minus. Yes. So according to Bodmas rule, okay, ये 99% of the students go wrong. So देखो यहाँ पे इसको correct करना है. First is given for brackets, no brackets here. Then for order, no square root. Okay. Then comes division, no division terms. Then comes the multiplication terms. Okay. So multiply all these things. 3 into 44 into 56. देखो जिसको वैदिक मैथ्स नहीं आता है, शशांक सर विल टीच यू दिस ट्रिक. So 56 into 44. Okay, 5 fours are vertical करना है, हमें करना है vertical crosswise vertical. 5 fours are 20. तो लिख दो 20 with the separator. Then crosswise 5 fours are 20, 6 fours are 24. Add them. How much you get? You get 44. And last step vertical, 6 fours are 24. How to write the final answer? 4 as it is, 2 is added. 44 plus 2 is 46. So write 6 and 4 is carried. 20 plus 4 is 24. Okay, so 2464 is the answer for this multiplication. And multiply this by 3. 2464 times 3. देखो यहाँ पे 2 3s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 3 4s are 12. So 7392. 7392. सर ये क्या कर रहे हो सर? ये ऐसा मल्टीप्लिकेशन हमने स्कूल में नहीं सीखा है. यस students, I am using a technique of Vedic maths which is very quick than your normal method. Okay, if you want to learn interesting mathematical calculations at your fingertips, you may book a free trial class of Vedic maths. Go to www.swiflearn.com, book a free trial class now and book a Vedic maths class. I know you have already, some of the students, you have already taken classes of maths and science in Swiflearn. You can also book a free trial class again and take a Vedic maths class. Okay? Yes. So Ishani, this thing I've done, I hope I've done this right. Now, plus is there. Okay. See, now add all the plus terms first. Add all the plus terms. Okay, followed by this 7392 plus 29 plus 29 plus 24 plus 100. Add them, how much you get? You get 7 4. Okay, 9 plus 4 is 13 and 11 and 15. So 7 5 4 5. Now subtract 2 from this to get 7543 and subtract 12 from this to get 7531. 7531 is the answer. Ishani, I hope I have solved this correct. Okay? Yes. And the last what I did is 7435 minus 2 minus 12. पहले ये करो, आंसर निकालो, फिर ये करो. Okay? Yes, pleasure is always mine. You guys are welcome to the doubts. चलो अभी बहुत पढ़ाई कर लिया सर, पढ़ाई वढ़ाई बहुत कर लिया. चलो सर अभी हमको गेम खिलाओ. Yes guys, so it is time for the game. Okay, now today's theme of Hangman. Okay, I will come with new games very soon. I need to make some time and figure this out. शशांक सर को टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा है, क्या करें? Okay, yes guys, today's theme is famous monuments. Okay, famous monuments. So first monument is थोड़ा easy रहता to begin with. Which is the famous monument? I am very fine. Thank you for asking, Raju. Good morning. Yes, अक्षता ने सबसे पहले आंसर कर दिया है. Shout out for Akshata. This is pyramid followed by Manjula. You have also answered it right. Okay. So the spelling is Pyramid. Okay. So Ishani, you have okay. Ansh. अरे अंश तुम्हारे कितने कितने आईडी है रे? Okay, Ansh. Good morning. Good morning. So Ishani, you have answered it next, so I'm going to give you 1 point. So which famous monument is this? This monument is a recent monument of India, and that is Statue of Unity. Okay, it is. Hey, Liberty, you say Liberty में U है, L कैसे आ गया? This is Statue of Unity. So Akshata has answered this first. Okay, it is statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So yes, that is Statue of Unity followed by Manjula. Okay, Manjula thoda late solve कियो. I am going to give you 1 point. So Ishani, yes. हाँ, didn't saw हाँ Statue of देख लिए तो आंसर कर लिए. Yes. हाँ, I'll make it tough now. Okay. Yes, which statue is this? The hint is crown. सबने चाय पिया? हेलो फ्रेंड्स, चाय पी लो. चाय पी लिया सब लोग ने? यस, आई हैव गिवन यू द हिंट. It was a very trending thing. I hope you all know. Remember, hello friends, chai pee lo, that auntie. Yes. A well-known tree brand is there. A well-known tree brand, tea brand. Which monument is this? Near to Delhi. Yes, it is Taj Mahal. Yes, it is Taj Mahal. Mahal. Akshara is quite good at this, followed by Ishani. Yes. ओके, बाकी सब लोगों ने लेट कर दिया, कोई बात नहीं. यस अंश, गुड. शॉर्ट आउट फॉर अंश, मंजुला फॉर पार्टिसिपेटिंग. हाँ गाइस, थोड़ा जल्दी करो, जल्दी करो. ओके, एंड इंडिया में और क्या क्या फेमस है, क्या क्या फेमस है. ओके, सो द स्कोर बोर्ड इज Akshata has scored 6 point, Manjula 3, followed by Ishani 3. Yes, so it is 5-3-3. Just a minute. Yes, guys. Akshata 5, Manjula 3, Ishani 3. Now next, okay. Okay. I'm just checking the correct spelling in internet. Yes. चलो ये भी क्लू दे देता हूं. Yes, which famous monument is this? Guess this. अरे मैंने इतना रिवेल कर दिया है. You have seen this in movies, in images, पर तुमको याद नहीं आ रहा है. यही है. Yes, this is Leaning Tower of Pisa. Okay, so Akshata, sorry, I wrote it 5. It is 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8, followed by Aryan. Aryan कहाँ गए थे? अभी आ गए वापस. Aryan, you have answered it right, followed by Ishani. Ishani, you are getting a little bit slow. You want that fast. So yes, leaning our tower of Pisa. वो देखे हो तुम लोग? The white monument which has leaned like this, टेढ़ा है. सर ये बिल्डिंग टेढ़ा हो गया पर क्यों नहीं गिर रहा है? Okay, so you should ask this question to your physics sir. But Shashank sir is also an engineer, so I will answer this. Okay, kya hai guys? So there is a concept called center of gravity. For example, this book. Okay, can I balance this book with 2 fingers or 1 finger? Yes, I can. If I hold my 2 fingers near to the center of gravity, if I hold my finger, the basketball players घुमाते हैं ना ball, they are holding at the center of gravity, and unless there is a support at the center of gravity, the object will not fall. अगर मैं दूर बैलेंस करने का देखूं तो वो गिर जाएगा बुक. ओके, सो यस, व्हाट हैज हैपेंड इज वाटर प्रेशर नहीं, जिसका जो भी सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी है, ओके, सो वो हैज नॉट कम आउटसाइड द स्ट्रक्चर. अगर वो आउटसाइड द स्ट्रक्चर आ गया, गिर जाता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखो यहां पे, ओके, अगर वो बहुत झुका रहता, ओके, सी द सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी इज हियर, इट इज आउटसाइड द स्ट्रक्चर. भाई ग्रेविटी अपना कमाल दिखा देती और बिल्डिंग को गिरा देती. Okay, so it would have been subject to gravitational pull and the building would have collapsed. The center of gravity, unless it is inside the structure, the building will not fall. तो दिस इज अ वेरी गुड कॉन्सेप्ट, सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी. आज जाके रिसर्च करो भाई, शशांक सर ने बोला है तो करो. So yes, the winner of today's round, the monuments round, is Akshata. Shout out to Akshata. Yes, Akshata, we miss you. Please be present on all the classes. I take classes from Monday to Thursday at 11 a.m. And shout out to Manjula and Ishani. Ishani first, then Manjula for scoring good. Ishani scored 4 points, Manjula 3 points. And Aryan would have also scored more, but he came late. Okay, and shout out for others also, guys, for participating and making this session wonderful. So I will be expecting more students tomorrow at 11 a.m. आ जाओगे? सो कल कौन कौन आ रहा है मेरे स्ट्रीम में, सर आए करके कमेंट करो. In the comment type sir I. So those who are coming to my next class stream, I would like to hear from you. Comment in the chat sir I. Okay, Ishani is coming. Who else is coming? Okay, Akshata, you're having online class at this time. Okay, no worries. You can see the video anytime. It will be saved in YouTube history. वहाँ पे जाके देखो. Raju is Ansh is coming, and who else? Okay, so yes, all the guys, those who are coming, you're most welcome. You can ask your doubts and everything else you like to ask. तो आज गेम खेल के मजा आया कि नहीं? आज मजा आया है तो एक लाइक तो बनता है. And if you want to spread more love, guys, I request you to share this video with your classmates, with your school friends. If you'd like to grow, okay, please become a part of this big wonderful thing. So please share with your friends, bring them here, increase the competition. So that's all for today, guys. I'm Shashank sir signing off, and tomorrow we will meet again, maybe with the same topic, the continued part, or with a different topic. Bye. Have a nice day, everyone.